Hey, Crypto Growth fam, how's it going? This is your host Shazib signing in. We're back with another video, folks. Velo, the hidden connections. It's going to be an interesting one, guys, so make sure to watch till the end. And, folks, for those of you who are new to the channel, we primarily discuss utility coins and potential gems. If you're interested in any of that stuff, then subscribe the channel and hit the notification icon for regular videos. Anyways, folks, let's get straight to the point and let's see what's happening with Velo in particular and crypto market in general. Let's find out. Folks, look at this. This is Cavi over here 4 hours ago, digging into Velo's hidden investors and partners. What I really like about these projects, the utility projects, is the hidden connections, the NDAs, what's happening behind the scenes that the normal eyes do not see. There is a lot beneath the iceberg. So look at this. I've uncovered non-public links between Velo and number one chain, Arrington XRP Capital, and TPS Capital. The funds I've tracked so far total over 650 million Velo, folks. So this is a thread looking into the connections. Arrington XRP Capital. Okay, so let us open this up. Yeah, number one, Chain and Velo. Chain is a blockchain infrastructure provider backed by Stellar. The wallet flagged by Arcom received 540 million Velo directly from the Velo team. As far as Arcom is concerned, let's see what this is all about. Let me open the page over here. Arcom. Yeah, just a moment. Trade with intelligence. Look at this. Announcing the Arcom Perpetuals exchange 5 hours ago. The team is constantly active. 1.6 million followers, folks. So yeah, great meeting so many of our community members in NYC for Digital Assets Summit 2025. Special thanks to GSR and Sui for co-hosting with us. So connections are there. Look at this. Arkham alert. BlackRock is buying Bitcoin. BlackRock has just received $145 million Bitcoin, folks. I mean, this is huge. AI continues to lead sector performance. Yeah, so many followers. The connections. Let me follow this as well. It seems to have good news as well. Updates. Some of their partners below. Yes, Nasdaq. So look at this. Trusted by leading companies. Discover how our innovative blockchain solutions have revolutionized industries such as payments, number one, sports, retail, banking, and more. So many use cases over here. The partners, look at this. Look at the names. Visa, State Street, Tiffany & Co., MUFG, Miami Heat, okay, Fiserv, Capital One, Citi, Nasdaq. So this is what we're talking about. The connections. Okay. Yeah, just a moment. The Velo community really works hard, folks, to be honest. Look at this. Diving deep. Yeah. Look at this. Number two, Arrington XRP Capital and Velo. Arrington Cap, let me open this up as well, just a moment. Arrington XRP Capital, founded by Arrington in 2017, has backed over 200 blockchain projects. The 100 Velo test TXN I have mentioned before was sent from chain to a wallet directly linked to Arrington XRP Capital. So basically directly linked to Arrington, not indirectly. Look at this. Arrington Capital is a thesis-driven firm investing in digital assets and Web3 since 2017. So imagine if it has invested, or somehow it has connections with Velo. You can see the potential that it believes Velo has, folks. So it won't invest without any real purpose, that's for sure. So this is great. Yeah, let us go down and check what else is up. The interesting thing about Arrington Capital is that unlike traditional funds, It denominated its fund in XRP. TPS Capital and Velo. Number 3. TPS Capital, the independent OTC trading arm of Three Arrows Capital, seemed inactive since 3AC's collapse. In 2023, a wallet tied to TPS Capital sent 800k USDT to the Velo team. So far, they received 120 million Velo in return. I mean, this is huge. Hope someone in the Velo community digs deeper into Arrington chain and TPS. There's a lot to look into. One more update on the Velo team movements I mentioned a few weeks ago is coming soon. After that, it is time to touch grass again. I mean, awesome. The connections are there, the hidden connections are there, the hidden investors and partners are there as well, folks. Let me like this one for the effort. Let me repost this, bookmark this as well. Okay, so look at this, some technicals. For those that hold Velo but don't understand its massive potential, here is the weekly W Fibonacci extension topping out at $6.36 at the 4.236. If we just get to Fibonacci 1 at $1.50, that's 100x plus from here. LFG, I mean, it is insane. These are insane levels, folks, to be very honest. And look at the price right now. I mean, if it reaches these levels, then these prices at this point, these are really Black Friday sales, bargain, whatever you would like to call it. Look at this, if it even reaches its all-time highs, although the supply was different back over here, to be fair, but now if it rises, it will rise organically, it will rise due to market pressure, buying pressure, and if Velo goes on and triggers the utility era, I think it can go on and achieve these levels and more. So let's see how it goes. Yeah, it all depends on the business, the project, if it succeeds or fails, continues to deliver. Quantum Ascend, use market cap to measure price, all season target 0.125, almost 10 and a half cents. Yeah, almost 10 cents. Yeah, so here's why. Let me open this up. Let me play this here.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Quantum Ascend. I have the Velo 3-day price chart up. Full disclosure, I do not own any, but it was requested in the comments. So taking a look, I mean, I see this first thing, the price chart's down over 99.9% from the high to the low. So I see that, and my initial thought is, okay, there's something going on with the tokenomics here.
Folks, you can see this video yourselves. This is from Quantum Ascend, folks. So yeah, a 5-minute video. We're just going to be looking at this chart at this moment. Look at this, the waves. The first wave, this is the second wave. The third wave, always the most energetic. And then we've got the correction wave, wave 4, and then the fifth wave over here. And now I think the era is the ABC times, yeah? A, B, C. I think A has happened, B, C, and then we can go on and break through these resistance levels, hopefully. So yeah. Okay, king thing all over here. Hypothetical. Imagine if Velo was backed by Mark Cuban. Velo isn't, but people would take serious note. What isn't hypothetical is that the family who owns CP Group, big investor in Velo, are considerably wealthier. Cuban rep worth $6 billion. Cherawanont family rep worth $44.1 billion. Nearly an 8x difference. Think about that. Imagine having the financial power of 8 Mark Cubans behind you. That is huge, to be very honest. That is really, really great. Let me open this up. Okay, It is known that Dhani Cheravanant and his family have a much higher net worth than Mark Cuban. In conclusion, Dhani Cheravanant is considerably wealthier than Mark Cuban due to the massive scale of the CP Group's holdings. Basically, why is this relevant to Velo is the amount of wealthy people backing this up apparently, or having connections with it, the people that are in power, the people that have a lot of stake in investments. So this is what we're talking about. Okay, so let's see what's happening with the broader crypto market in general as well while we're at it, because it all boils down to the overall sentiment, BTC, and the rest of the market as well. It can also impact the price of Velo, obviously. Look at this. Bullish. Bitwise CIO claims Bitcoin will cross $1 million by 2029. We will look into this video in a moment. Let's see what else do we have. Justin, USDT holds a dominant 99% share of the 64.2 billion stablecoin supply on Tron, and also leads on BNB chain and Ethereum with 73% and 53% shares respectively. Okay. Japan's core inflation rose to 3% in February, exceeding expectations and marking the 35th straight month above the Bank of Japan's 2% target. There was a really interesting post over here as well. I had covered this one, the $304K stolen in a poisoning attack. I mean, this is sad. We need to really put a leash on these scams and these attacks, to be honest. A user just lost $304K in USDT after falling for a poison address attack. Scammers cluttered their transaction history with a fake but similar looking address, tricking them into copying the wrong one. Only 4 tokens on Pump Fund managed to maintain $100 million market cap. Look at this. According to CryptoQuant Investor, the current market correction differs from March 2024 as stablecoin supply is rising, signaling readiness for a rapid surge once strong catalysts appear. So we basically are in a crucial territory over here. Let's hope that the prices remain intact. I'm all in for the sideways price action. Let's just hope that we do not go on and dip further, folks. Now this is what inspired the title as well. Look at this. Chinese Communist Party media published a key article on crypto, so you can check that article out yourselves, but in a nutshell, look at this. According to it, Bitcoin is too volatile to be a currency but has investment value. So according to this, it cannot be a currency. It has a lot of volatility. But if you look at the overall fiat history, the currencies also have been volatile. They haven't remained stable. I mean, inflation has taken over. But anyways, dollar stable coins could boost US dominance in global finance. China should speed up digital yuan and asset development. So you have seen the digital stable coins all are related to the dollar, USDT, USDC. So China wants to speed up and set up a digital yuan. Token adoption can strengthen the yuan's global role. If yuan goes on to do something marvelous in the digital realm, it can be good for it in the physical world as well. Risk control is key to countering dollar stablecoins. So this is sort of an interest in digital arena by China as well as the US, from what I understand. So yeah, let's see this video out as well while we're at it. You can check this out yourself, what Bitwise CIO has to claim. I might cover this one in the next video, folks, in the XDC network coverage, because it all is relevant to these utility projects as well. Will BTC cross the $1 million mark? It is yet to be seen. Anyways, what do you guys think about Velo and the hidden connections? I would really like your opinions. Do hit the comment box below and let the community know. Anyways, guys, this was it for the video. If you liked it, make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification icon if you're interested in utility coins and potential gems. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out. Like I always say in the end, until next time, stay blessed and stay tuned. Thank you very much, everyone.